Morning. Welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos. Today what we're working on is this silver part down here. We're going to make that silver part go away. So let's get started and show you how. All right, here's the supplies we're going to use today. We've got our Plasti Dip Black and we've got our glossifier. Kind of gives it a nice satin look. Got some blue tape and some tin foil. We'll show you the trick with the tin foil to tape stuff up. You don't necessarily have to tape with this, but we're going to tape because it's easier to clean it later. And your tape does not need to be perfect because you're going to come with a knife and trim this, all right? So you don't need to be perfect with your tape. Matter of fact, you're better off to leave a little gap. Show you a trick with aluminum foil. That's a nice way to do it. It's easy, it's quick. Before you apply your paint, you need to clean your surface. So, get a little alcohol, clean it down good, so you get good adhesion. Make sure you clean it good. But you want to make sure you shake these for a couple minutes. Make sure you wear a respirator. Once there's a medium wet coat, let it dry. Once your coat's dry, start a second coat. Remember, we're going to put 4 coats on. Yeah, gotta wait for that to dry. Alright. Coat number 3, we'll probably do 4 coats of this. Alright, one more coat to go. Alright, looks pretty good. It's tacky dry. We're going to put one more coat of this on and then we can let it dry for a while. Then it's glossifier time. You could leave it like this, but the glossifier makes it look better. Key to remember, this stuff is peelable, therefore thick is okay.
Okay, we shaped our glossifier for quite a while. Got a partial can from another job. We're starting with that one. Again, same ordeal. Key is to let this dry now for a while. Always clean the nozzle before you put another coat on. Again, 3 medium wet coats, minimum. If you want more gloss, add a little more, but usually gets it good at that point. Okay, 3, this third coat. Try to put this one on really nice, because this will be it. All right, gonna let her dry good, and then we're gonna peel.
All right, it's still drying, but hey, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little knife, and we're gonna go right along the edge so we can peel the tape off. So what you gotta do is you gotta go right in the edge here, where your tape was. Make sure you're good, because when you pull this, you don't want to pull the product off. You can see how easy that works. You can take this off pretty easy. Comes off easy. And then you got this to pull off. This is the tricky one. You got to make sure you don't, you're not peeling your plastic dip off of your part that you want the plastic dip to stay on. You'll see that that works fairly well, don't it? We've got plastic dip where it doesn't need to be. See how easy that peels away? Just got to be careful. Go slow so you don't mess up with your work. But hey, mess it up, it's easy to fix. You just peel it off and do it again. Now that's a better look. Okay, like and subscribe, post notifications on. You saw how we did our Explorer. We'll show you a close-up at that at the end of the video. Looks great. Now we've got the Mad Max look kind of complete in the front. The only thing we got left is that Ford oval badge. Maybe we're going to do some painting on that. So, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss the next video. We're going to show you how we do the side trim next. Plastic dip is fun and removable.